Stop doing this to make a vapor. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best and the easiest way to make it in Photoshop. First, I have this picture of a glass of tea and I'm going to create a brand new layer. Then go to the toolbar and select brush tool. Keep the opacity and flow at 100%. Now right click and make hardness 0%. Make sure the layer is selected and foreground color is white. Then with the perfect brush size, start making curved line like this on the top of glass. Then after that, go to the filter menu, blur gallery and path blur. Now adjust the path line from the base to the top of the white lines. After that, increase the speed of blur. You can drag the line here and there to make the perfect vapor. Then by clicking this white dot, you can adjust the speed of endpoint, which is game changer. Turn on the edit blur shape and you can do much more with the endpoint speed. After adjusting it however you want, click OK. And that's it. Isn't this amazing? If yes, then like and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.